This is Hisense Party Rocker portable speaker. This is pangit about this speaker because when you press the bass or equalizer, the music will get cut off while changing the setting. You see, I'll show you why pangit. I'll press the bass. I'll turn off the bass. You see? It will stop the music.
No.
See? Equalizer. Diba the other band of the speaker doesn't like that. And if you turn this off, there is a startup sound like the Chinese portable small speakers, like it will say the Bluetooth device ready to pair, like that. This one,
Mama.
listen. Diba? There is ngeng. And yeah, you have to turn off the light every time. So because it will eat up your battery charge.